I know this at our company. I'm sure it's the same at many of yours, but we have a lot of people with a lot of tribal knowledge that are 1 year, 2 years, 5 years away from doing what they should be doing, enjoying their retirement. They worked super hard, and not everybody did as good of a job as you, like making sure that there's a next in line. Mm-hmm. And that's like a crisis for a lot of people, and it's an opportunity for a lot of people too. Mm-hmm. And so pointing over to Mike here, like Mike's starting another podcast under the Making Chips umbrella called Buy the Numbers, B-U-Y the Numbers, because that's your background, right? Yeah. Like looking at these opportunities where, hey, this is actually a decent company, but none of the kids or the owner are interested or whatever.
Right. Yeah. No. It's very, very common in the whole space right now. And I was telling Paul about an opportunity I'm looking at last night, or was telling Paul last night about an opportunity I'm looking at right now, and everything's just kind of run off of a few Excel spreadsheets and tribal knowledge and so forth. And their valuation is just not there, right? Yeah. Because it's going to be a lot of work to switch that over. Now, on the flip side of that, having systems and processes and Pro Shop from Paul, being able to capture that information and then turn it into something, I look at it and I salivate too, right? It's like, because I know by pulling that into my environment with my team, with my processes, with my systems, I'm going to double, triple, maybe quadruple their capacity and their capabilities.
Yeah, you're going to buy those numbers, and they're going to look a lot different in 2 years.
Right. Yeah. Maybe it's a 2x multiple of EBITDA as they sit, but I know, if I were selling, I'm going to be trading out here at a 6 or 7, right? So just by doing the deal and pulling them into my system, I hopefully can grow them, but I can also maybe double or triple their multiple. Creates a lot more value on my balance sheet.